First, you have to draw the hills with the dry ink brush. And don't forget about the layer. You have to coloring in the max layer of every element. To color the hills, I use soft edge brush. You can use green and yellow colors. Give more detail like grass. For that, I use shallow mark brush. Now, draw the sun. I use soft edge brush. Also for the color on max layer. I prefer draw tree than the flower. Just use the drawing pen with the maximum thickness. Give some texture with wood etching one brush. You can use an abstract floral brush for the leaves. And don't forget about the shadow and lighting with the soft edge brush. And for the clouds, I used to use the 3D cloud brush and set it into a soft light layer. I'm gonna make a more detail like birds, dandelion, and wind.